Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at a new listing. I'm at 1601 4th Street in Jackson. This home is truly stunning. It has that charming character, elegant, but yet it has all those modern updates that you're looking for, as well as that historical charm throughout the home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The master suite is simply gorgeous. The walk-in closet is the size of a bedroom with updated bathroom. The kitchen has been completely renovated, featuring granite countertops, an eat-in area, formal dining room, and it opens up to this lovely large living room. Not only is this home gorgeous inside, it has a fantastic location, walking distance to Falling Waters Trails or Cascade Park, but yet conveniently located to all the highways, shopping, and dining. Allow me to show you through.